In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate payables report in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull the accounts payable aging summary so you can see what you owe your vendors, what's coming due, and what's overdue all in one clear view. Once you're signed into QuickBooks Online, start on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation, and open the Reports menu. This takes you to the Reports Center, which is where QuickBooks keeps all the standard financial and management reports. At the top of the Reports page, use the search bar and begin typing Accounts Payable Aging Summary. As you type, QuickBooks will suggest matching reports. Choose Accounts Payable Aging Summary from the list. Selecting the summary version gives you a clean, consolidated view by vendor, which is perfect for quick decision making. If you're not seeing it right away, make sure you spelled it correctly and that you're searching in the report screen, not the global search. After you open the report, set your report period. You can choose something like this month to see what's currently outstanding, or use a custom date to view a snapshot as of a specific day, such as month end. Pick the period that aligns with how you manage cash flow or reconcile payables. Remember, this report reflects bills you've entered and not yet paid as of the end of the selected date range. With the period set, click Run Report. QuickBooks will refresh and display your payables grouped into aging buckets. You'll see vendor names down the left, along with totals spread across columns. The current column shows bills that are not yet due based on the terms you've set with each vendor. The 130 column lists bills that are up to 30 days past due, followed by 31 to 60, 61, 90, and 90 plus for older, more overdue balances. Use this layout to prioritize payments. For example, focus first on the 6190 and 90 plus columns to avoid late fees or service interruptions, then address the 31, 60, and 130 balances. The current column helps you plan upcoming cash needs before those bills cross into overdue territory. If something looks off, double check that bills and bill payments were entered with correct dates and applied to the right vendors, since entry dates directly affect where amounts land on the aging. That's all it takes. Open Reports, search and select Accounts Payable Aging Summary, choose your report period, and click Run Report. With this one report, you'll have a clear, time-based view of what you owe, making it easier to schedule payments, communicate with vendors, and keep cash flow steady.